So, good evening, everyone. This is Farheen Jafri in front of you, and welcome back to my couch, the talk show with Farheen. So, today we have a very interesting topic about that person, and this person play a very important role in everyone's life. So, I just want to know, do you know who is that person? No one knows. Okay, so I will tell you who is that person. So, that person is about your friend. So, without wasting our time, let's get start our show. So, before starting our show, I would like to tell one शायरी. So, अर्ज़ किया है, ए दोस्त, हर खुशी को तेरी तरफ मोड़ दूँ, तेरे लिए चांद सितारे तक तोड़ दूँ. ए दोस्त, हर खुशी को तेरी तरफ मोड़ दूँ, तेरे लिए चांद सितारे तक तोड़ दूँ. इतना बहुत है या दो चार झूठ और बोल दूँ. So put your hands together, Miss Riya Agarwal. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for accepting my invitation and coming to my show.
Thank you so much. You are inviting me here.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. So, ma'am, I just want to know, how do you feel about to coming in my show?
I feel very excited and curious also.
Ma'am, why are you curious?
I want to know which type of question you are asked from me. That's why.
So, ma'am, actually, my question is so sweet and little bit funny. So, ma'am, can I start?
Yes, of course you can start.
So, ma'am, my first question is, according to you, what is the meaning of friendship?
Okay. So according to me, friendship means that you have a strong bonding with each other. It's not matter you are talking in a daily basis, in a regular basis. When you are talking with each other, so you are not feel you are talking after a long time. That's it.
So, ma'am, do you have a best friend?
Yes, of course I have a best friend.
So, I just want to know, how would you describe your best friend in 3 words?
Okay, caring, guiding, foodie.
So, ma'am, your best friend is foodie.
Yes, she is very foodie person.
And so, ma'am, I just want to know, do you think it is possible when you have a friendship with someone, so whoever different personality than you?
Yes, of course it is possible, because me and my friend, we have a totally different personality, still we are a best friend.
How can you say your best friend personality is different than you?
Okay, because I mentioned that she is a very foodie person, but I am not foodie person, and she want to go other places more, but I don't want to go other places. I feel very lazy. When she asked for me go somewhere else, at that time I told her no, I feel very lazy. She is free in the night, but I am not want to go in the night. So we have a totally different personality, but still we are a very best friend. It's very strong bonding.
So, ma'am, according to you, what is the difference between good friend and best friend?
Okay, so the good friend, we are behaving like a formal, we can say formal, like we, before sharing anything, we think about it, we have to share him or her or not. But when we talk with the best friend, so we are not thinking about that, we are not using any kind of filter, just be sharing freely. So this is the difference between good friend and best friend.
So, what is the most important thing that you have learned about loyalty?
Loyalty. Yes, she is very loyal. Like when she do any kind of work, but I am not helping to her every time. Like she is always ready for help me. But when she asks from me, at that time I deny to help her. Still, she never feel me like you are deny me at that time. So right now I don't help you. So this is I learned from her.
So, ma'am, what is the most important quality you look for in a friend?
Most important quality is that you understand everything with each other. You can able to understand their feeling. Like when we are silent, at that time also she understand my thought, like why I am silent, why I am sad. She understand I am sad, that's why I am silent. So this is the most quality I look her.
So, ma'am, how do you handle it when your friend is being too competitive or jealous?
Okay, when she is jealous with me, so inside me I feel happy, but I am not showing in my face. I want to share example of real life. Like I have in my home I have some functions. At that day she came in my home, so I am wearing a good dress, I am doing a lot of makeup on my face, but when she came, she are doing only normal top and jeans, and she also cut her hair. So when she go in home and she show her photo with me to her mother, so So her mother like scolded her, you looking your friend, she is like very beautiful and you look like a boy, so why, so she share with me, so I feel very happy. But I try to understand her, don't take it your mind, it's everyone have different personality.
So, ma'am, how do you handle it when your friend is being too negative person?
Okay. So sometime if she take anything in negative way, if I'm talking to her and she take all the thing in negative way, so I try to stop that topic on that way, and I try to ask her why she's taking all the thing in negative way. Is she face any kind of issue? Is she her mood is not good? So I try to ask her issue, try to understand her issues, and try to overcome her.
Okay, so what is the most important what is the most important thing that you have learned about trust from a friendship when you dealing friend secret?
So when I share any kind of secret with her, so she never told to anyone else. Like if someone asked to her about me, so firstly she asked from me, he or she asked about you, so I will share or not. So this is the trust I like took in her, and I'm always share any kind of secret with her any freely, because I have a trust on her. She never share my secret with anyone.
So suppose that, ma'am, if your friend disclose your secret in front of all and your parents, so what would it be?
It's okay if she's sharing any kind of secret, so of course at that time I feel aggressive, but I don't show in my face. It's her opinion, it's her nature, so what I can do. But I learned from that situation that I will never share any kind of secret with him or her.
So, ma'am, what is the most important thing that you have learned about forgiveness from a friendship?
Forgiveness, yes, as I mentioned that like she's always ready for help me, but when she asks for help with me, so I always make some excuse, always deny to her. Like I want to give example, when I told to her please go with me college, I am alone, so she always agree with me. But when she told to me come with me for shopping, come with me for any trip, come with me any kind of work, so at that time I deny to her, no, I have no time, I am busy, like that any kind of issue I make. But she never, she always forgot my that mistake. She never told to me again like you can't go with me, so I also don't go with me. So she always forgive my mistake and always support me.
So, ma'am, what is the most memorable thing that you have ever done with your friend?
Okay, the most memorable thing is that when I went Gwalior to Delhi, so at that time she came in Delhi railway station, and I have no idea about it. And when she came in station, so I surprised it. She hugged me, so it's a very memorable thing because she come. I have no idea about that.
So, ma'am, I am very curious to know if you and your best friend were in a character in TV show, so which genre would it be?
Okay, it's a Doraemon or Nobita. She is a Doraemon because she always support me, always help me, always guide me, and I am a Nobita who always ask for help.
So she's your Doraemon.
Yes.
So, ma'am, how can you say she's your friend is Doraemon?
Because she's always helped me when I told to her I am in problem, I am in confusion. So she always guide me. She always suggest me like what is right, what is wrong. That's why.
So, ma'am, my last question is to you. What is the most important thing that you have learned about honesty and trust?
Yeah, honesty and trust is that she's always always support me. Always if I'm sharing any kind of secret, so she always never told to anyone. So these.
So, ma'am, thank you so much for coming to my show, and it was a very good talk with you. So, thank you.